There are some amazing campsites in the Henty Dunes, perfect for spending a few days.
When it comes to selecting a campsite for your camper trailer, you want to make sure it's nice and level. And I'll tell you what, it's easier said than done. Sometimes you've just got no choice but to level the camper trailer up manually. And one trick that I've learnt is to use your treads. So with this particular campsite, the front of the camper trailer is pointing down. So I'm going to pop one of these under each wheel at the back of my vehicle, pop it up, and hopefully that picks the front up just enough. Well, that's levelled it up quite nicely. The real beauty about these treads is you can actually level up side to side as well, not just vertically. And I'll tell you what, nice and versatile, nice and easy, that's what you need to get a good night's sleep.